Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever is your location. Today I'm continuing with my optimization process, and whoever is following me, so you know I'm optimizing an e-commerce account. And today I want to create a remarketing campaign. Since I was running a few campaigns for a while now, I got enough audience, I reached enough people, so I would like to retarget them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on creation button here, and since it's e-commerce and it's based on Shopify platform, I would like to use a catalog which I previously connected to this account. I think it can boost our sales actually very nice, so let's check it out. So I will call it remarketing version 2 because I already have one remarketing campaign which is not really working for me right now. My catalog is this one, yes, definitely this one. I will give just numbers right here, store catalog sales, and let's name or add name like that. So I'm saving it to draft. Oh, come on. Okay, next step that I'm going to do, I'm going to edit my targeting. And in my last campaign, I used actually options of Facebook, which says retarget products to people who visit your website app, show relevant product prospective customers even if they haven't visited. Well, in any case, it didn't work for me really, so I would like to change it. For my daily budget, I will choose £8 here. And let's say I would like to end it, I think, on a weekend because it's most expensive time then. For some reason, on the weekends we have a lot of competition everywhere, not just in UK. And well, I would like to turn it off just to save some money, and then I will start it on again on Monday. So instead of going with those recommendations, I would like to create my own audience. Let's see how I do that. I think I will go with this option right here, and instead of using just what Facebook recommends, I will choose my custom audience since I've already created one. So I will use website visitors, and I will use add to cart. I will exclude people who already purchased some products from my website. And for my targeting, I will use United Kingdom and United States, since those were basically my audiences till now. And since it's a girly store which sells bikini products and makeup, I will use women only, and even just English speakers, just to make sure we have it all. Well, I will leave age, I won't change a thing here, but for my placement, as we saw in previous videos, people are buying from Instagram and Facebook. Audience network or Messenger is not really working here because the product is very visual and they need to see images, and on Messenger and on on audience network I'm not really sure what are they seeing, so I'm just turning them off. So for my targeting, I would say I call it website visitors. All right, and let's go to my ads. Let's edit it. Let's see what options do we have here. So since I choose a catalog, I have few options. I have multiply products. Multiple products basically means that they will see not just one product but many. Or I can choose item category. Well, you know what? It's really interesting. Promote product types, brand of the images from a I think, let's see what other options do I have. Catalog or slideshow. I would duplicate that one. Yeah, I definitely would like to test it and to see which one works better in this case. So we are talking about general makeup and clothing store for women. We are talking about general audience for United States and United Kingdom. And I'm working on my catalog campaign. Let's see what really works here. So multiple products, catalog, single image, I will call it. Single image. Alright, a single image it is, a headline. Yeah, I think I will go with my usual headline where I'm saying that we have 10% discount with the specific code. I think it works the best. And I will use a description, and for description I'm using the stars, yeah, because they just look dope. Let's see in the preview. Yeah, they look alright. They look okay. I think I even have 5 out of 5. More believable, isn't that so? Alright. So this is what we have. Different products, same headline, and I think my text is missing. Yeah, we don't have any text here. Deep link, choose an app, don't have an app. Open in mobile browser, open deep link in mobile app. Alright. So no text, just catalog item and catalog item. No text. We have text. Obviously we have text. Well, that's a bummer because it's a different item. What should I do? Alright, let's go to our store and see what we have here. Treat yourself for free shipping on all products. We actually fucking have free shipping and nobody told me. Nice. Website for queens of SaaS. Treat yourself with the free shipping. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, but it's about the website. Free shipping on all products. Okay, I will use that. And welcome. You are one stop. Okay, so I'm using a description from the website. Just take a look. It's a regular website, so I will use a description from this website, which seems kind of okay. Let's rewrite it. Okay, so that's what we have. Maybe even that. Okay, hey girl, welcome to Sassy Lilia, one-stop shop for all things sassy. Okay, free shipping on all the products. How are we looking on the mobile for that? Mobile feed. It's okay. I will use few emojis for that. Where are my emojis? Okay. So for a hot shit, I think I will double that. I will remove those dots and I will use a finger which points to my products. What do you think? without a finger, but I will definitely need the free shipping on all the products. Need some emoji for that one as well. I'm usually using this one because it looks obvious. Okay, or is it not okay? I'm removing that. I would like to find the emoji of a plane because it's shipping, so it will tell us that we're shipping all those products, and I think I saw it. Yes, I did. We have an emoji here. For emojis, by the way, I'm using this website. I think it's great. Getemoji.com. Great website. Alright, so hey girl, welcome to Sassy. Your one stop for all things Sassy. Free shipping. Looks okay. Not okay to me. I'm publishing that. And as I said, I would like to test few different ads variations. So I will duplicate my ad after it finished uploading. So duplicating it. Alright. And I will try something new. I will try, instead of a single image, I will try a slideshow. I think it's going to work very good here. Yeah, we have a lot of cool images. It will work good. Actually, a slideshow, just take a look for each product. So if we have more than one image for one product, it's kind of getting alive, like it's becoming live. So yeah, we're going to use that as well. Slideshow. Publish. Let's see which of those ads will get more views, will get more clicks, and hopefully will get more sales. So stay with me. I will get back to you tomorrow with my results. And comment below, what do you think will happen? Which ad will work the best? And let's see. Bye bye now.